Hello, welcome to the digestive system. In this section, the objective is to locate the major organs of the digestive system and describe their structure and function. The main functions of the digestive system are ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. The digestive tract contains many parts, all of which are shown on this diagram. Example, the tongue, esophagus, stomach, large intestine known as the colon, small intestine, anus, rectum. The mouth is, of course, the first part of the digestive system. Ingestion is when the food is taken into the mouth. Chewing, also called mastication, and salivary enzymes in the mouth are the beginning of the digestive process, which is the breaking down of food. The mass of food ready to be swallowed is called a bolus. Swallowing is called deglutition. The epiglottis is a flexible flap of cartilage located behind the tongue. The main function is to seal off the windpipe during eating. Therefore, it prevents food from going down into the trachea or windpipe, and instead it directs the food into the esophagus. The esophagus is the long tube between the mouth and the stomach. It uses rhythmic muscle movements called peristalsis to force food from the throat into the stomach. The stomach is J-shaped and it is a sac-like muscular organ attached to the esophagus. When food enters the stomach, it is churned in an acid bath. Food is broken down and travels through the gastrointestinal tract, also known as the GI tract. Digestive systems aid the breakdown of complex nutrients. That is, digestive enzymes aid the breakdown of complex nutrients. The gallbladder is a small sac-like organ located by the duodenum. It stores and releases bile into the small intestine. The pancreas is a gland that produces enzymes. It is located below the stomach and above the intestines. Enzymes from the pancreas help in the digestion of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in the small intestine. The liver is a very, very large organ. It is located above and in front of the stomach. It filters toxins from the blood, makes bile, breaks down fats, and also some blood proteins. The liver produces bile, releases bilirubin, and helps to maintain normal blood glucose levels. It manufactures blood proteins necessary for clotting and removes toxins and poisons from the blood. The small intestine has villi, which are tiny finger-like projections that enable the small intestine to absorb nutrients from food. It is made up of the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The duodenum is the first part of the small intestine. It is C-shaped and runs from the stomach to the jejunum. The jejunum is the long coiled midsection of the small intestine, and the ileum, spelled with an E, is the last part of the small intestine before the large intestine begins. So the large intestine is made up of many parts. There's the cecum, which is the first part of it, and the appendix is connected to the cecum. The ascending colon is the part of the large intestine that runs upwards. The transverse colon is the part that runs horizontally across the abdomen. The descending colon is the part of the large intestine that runs downwards after the transverse colon and before the sigmoid colon. The sigmoid colon is the part of the large intestine between the descending colon and the rectum. The rectum is the lower part of the large intestine, where feces are stored before they are excreted from the body. And therefore, we come to elimination. The body eliminates solid waste that cannot be absorbed. The anus is the last part of the colon at the end of the rectum. It is the opening where the GI tract ends and exits the body. Here are some questions for you to try. Make sure you know the answers to all of these questions. Now try to label the different parts of the digestive system. So you should now be able to locate the major organs of the digestive system and describe their structure and function. Next, we'll go on to describing diseases, conditions, procedures, and treatments, looking at abbreviations, and looking at pharmacology related to the digestive system. Hope you enjoyed this part. Let's go on to the next section.